బీపీ, షుగర్, థైరాయిడ్ మరెన్నో సమస్యలకు మందులు లేకుండా 28 రోజుల్లో నేచర్ మంత్రతో తగ్గించుకోండి.
Good afternoon, SumanTV. Myself Ashish of 10th year.
Myself K. Vishnuvardhan. I'm from 10th standard. Today we are doing an experiment proving that starch is present in the leaf. Materials required in this experiment are betadine solution or iodine solution, methylated spirit, water, spoon, petri dish, retort stand, test tube, beaker, tripod stand, Bunsen burner,
Leaf.
and a leaf.
Water.
First we need to add water in the beaker. Then we have to insert the leaf in the test tube. Now add methylated spirit. Now boil the leaf inside the methylated spirit over water bath until it turns pale white color or pale color. Here we can see that the Bunsen burner heats up the beaker and the water in the beaker boils and boils the methylated spirit inside the test tube. This methylated spirit dissolves the chlorophyll present in the leaf. So now we'll remove the leaf from the test tube. Now we'll test it with betadine. Now here we can observe that the leaf turns into bluish blackish color which proves that the presence of starch inside the leaf. Here we can observe the difference between testing before starch and after starch. Thank you.